What is going on over here? What is it?
Frog.
Or toad.
You think it's a toad?
Yeah,
it's so chubby.
Yeah.
It doesn't have. It sounds like a toad and it doesn't have webs on it.
It doesn't have webs on its feet?
Yeah.
And that means it's a
Toad.
toad. Okay.
A toad.
A toad.
A toad.
Not a turd.
A toad. A toad.
Good morning, everybody. We are going to do a Costco haul today. I do tend to go to Costco about once a month, although it doesn't always work out perfectly that way. But I think the last time I went was in January, so once a month. And I kind of need a lot of paper products like toilet paper, paper towels, paper plates and bowls, things like that. So there's going to be a fair amount of that, but then also stocking up on some of our food essentials. So I'm going to bring you along. I have Levi with me. The frog whisperer. He was out hunting frogs all afternoon yesterday and he caught 3, I think he caught 3, and he's lost 2 have got away. So he has his one, well, and I say frogs when they're probably toads. So he's pretty sure the one he has is a toad. So anyways, the great frog and toad whisperer Levi will be helping me out on my Costco shopping trip today. Are you cold?
Just a tiny bit.
Just a tiny bit?
Yeah.
Levi has told me recently that because he's a man, the cold doesn't really bother him, so he can go without a jacket. I said, that's fine. You need to bring a jacket just in case, but you don't have to wear it if you don't want to. Look at that purple car. Look at how cute this rug is, Levi.
Oh yeah, we just did it.
I know, I want to, but I don't need a new rug.
How much is it?
This one's cute too. I think it's $15. The lemons, oh, these ones are all cute. It's got little lilacs or lavender.
Well, Mom.
Roses, those are super
these
cute.
are all the types.
Yeah, oh yeah, they have them all right there. Look at that. They're so cute.
Well,
I like these. Did you see this? It's like a charcuterie board with a lid.
yeah, can we get one?
I'm mighty tempted by it, but I don't know. I think I'll do it.
What?
I think this would come in super handy because you can make up a charcuterie board and then keep it in the fridge and then just munch on it.
Yeah.
I like that. I do like that.
What if we got 6 and then we'd all have
6 and then everyone has their own charcuterie board in the fridge?
Yeah.
We'd need a whole fridge just for our charcuterie boards.
Oh.
Right?
No?
Yeah.
I think so.
We'd have to get a charcuterie board fridge. I got a set of these for Christmas. Different brand probably, but we've been really liking them. So cool to see them here at Costco.
Like, you should get these for fall.
For fall?
Yeah.
Those are good for fall.
Can we get baby oranges?
I don't know. We got to look at them. I'm going to do the little potatoes. We need some of those. It is not apple season, but Renee requested apples, so we'll do these. No, I'm getting these ones over here. Those ones, oh, they are organic. These ones are cheaper. Let me look at it. Sometimes, yeah, they actually don't look too bad. I like Fuji apples. Let's do that then. Is that what you want?
Yeah.
Oranges?
Yeah.
Baby oranges? All right, we'll get one bag of baby oranges for you.
There's so many.
Yeah, it's 5 pounds.
Oh, I love. How many are in there?
I don't know. You'd have to count them. I've been wanting to make some chicken strips. So I'm going to grab a pack of these. Now that we have a charcuterie board, we got to buy more charcuterie.
More charcuterie.
Yeah, more charcuterie. All right, we got to get pickles for Talia.
Yes. Remember when we made pickles?
I do, yeah.
I wonder how we made them. Black.
You forgot how we made them? We'll have to do it again sometime.
Yeah.
I've been doing Greek bowls recently with steak or chicken. So gotta stock up on feta. Yeah. Gotta grab paper towels and they're on sale. That's nice. Thank you. Let's get 2. All right, we don't need cream cheese. I think we're good.
Maybe next time.
see a sample either.
This is so, it looks so heavy.
It is heavy. I'm the one pushing it, man. I can tell you it's heavy. I think we got everything we needed.
Yeah.
I think we did it. It is a busy day here at Costco. We gotta wait in line for a while. We are home now, so let's go over all the stuff that I got. I have all of my food here and then non-food over here. So let's do that first. I think the kids must have put the paper towels away already, which go kids. But we got a paper towel and we got a toilet paper. So we're covered on that for a little while. I got a pair of yoga pants. I have the same brand yoga pants and I like them. This is a little bit different of a style, so hopefully it's just as good, if not better. I broke down and I got the bamboo serving board with the locking lid. I think this will be handy for leftovers, like when we make a charcuterie board, instead of throwing things into bags, just put the lid on and it's still inviting, like a still inviting charcuterie board to munch on. I think that'll be helpful. I got wastebasket liners and kitchen bags. I could not find paper plates and paper bowls at Costco. They had rearranged that area and maybe they're just somewhere else in the store and I just didn't see them, and we're not so low on them that I desperately need them. I just like to have them for get-togethers and stuff, so I will just try to get them next time. I got a big bag of baking soda. I use this for baths and for cleaning, and then of course some for cooking, but it's mostly a non-food item. And then Levi is growing out of everything he owns, so we got him some pants. These ones are really good quality, and they he has some that were smaller, the smaller size down, and so we went ahead and got the size up for him. They also had a coupon on them, so they were a really good deal. Now over to the food. There was a coupon for the organic Italy-made pasta, so I went ahead and stocked up on that. So I got 3 packs to stock up the pantry, and then we got some avocado oil. We got another one of the vegetable blends. This one's really good. I love having veggies in the freezer. It just makes life so much easier, and I'm way more likely to actually eat them if I don't have to wash them, chop them, all the things. So that's been really handy to have. I got 2 big things of cottage cheese. I got organic salsa. I got a bag of the little bitty potatoes. These are nice and super easy. Throw in the air fryer or in stews and stuff like that. I got a double pack of the salami. I got a package of feta, or a container of feta crumbles. I got some organic cane sugar. I got 3 bunches of bananas. Levi was desperate for some cutie oranges, so I grabbed 1 bag of those. I got a bag to stock up on my favorite coffee. I got 2 tubs of pickles. Talia requested those. She's been dying for them, so she's stocked up now. I got a bag of organic Fuji apples, as well as 2 bags of the organic Gala apples. And it was very sad that we had to buy honey today. We have been working through the honey from our beehive. It was a beehive that failed, sadly, but we got like 3.5 gallons of honey out of it, and we just used up the last bit of it recently, so I had to buy honey for the first time in a long time. And it was really interesting. They had the containers of raw unfiltered honey that wasn't organic, and the organic was significantly cheaper per ounce. And I'm not sure what the deal is with that, but I was like, might as well go ahead and go for the organic. I got a pack of string cheese for the kids. I got a big bag of organic carrots. I got a big bag of organic onions. And then I've been wanting to make some chicken strips with my protein breading recently. And so I went ahead and got chicken tenderloins so that we can whip up some of those. Total spent at Costco today was $397.11, and I will do my scan of the receipt here. So if you are curious about any of the prices, you should be able to see that. Thanks for shopping at Costco with us today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.